Hi everyone, this is a video about this Microsoft Surface Pro adapter that it just died, and the light on the end of this was very bleak, and it didn't charge the battery at all, and I just opened it and wanted to fix it to see how we can fix this better to last a little bit longer. And I have found out why it just broke down, and I just wanted to share with you what is inside this Surface Pro charger. And this one is really tiny. The writings are really tiny, and it's just a normal one, 44 watts, and the voltage is 15 volts at 2.5 amp, something like that, if you can read that. 2.58 amp, and it can provide with the USB that is here. It can provide 5.1 volt at 1 amp. And then some people, they open this from the top, from this area, but I tried it really hard. I couldn't open it, but I resorted to the Dremel, and I cut from the top all around, very shallow cut, and then I could open it like so. And this is the cable that it goes to your Surface Pro for charging. And and these are the magnets that is sitting here and there, here and there, and these are the LEDs. And that's I'm gonna show you what's happening, but a disclaimer here: before you do this, you should know that if you are not familiar with this, do not attempt any of these at home. I just wanted to show you what is inside this, and that's it. There is no serviceable parts in here, and if you open it, you are going to void your warranty and all of that palaver anyhow. So do it at your own risk. And there is a very large capacitor in there that you have to be very careful. Other than that, it's going to shock you with 280 volts of electricity. I show you that one as well. And this is the main cable, this is the cable, charging cable, this is the unit, and this is the box, and this is the cover of this part, because I didn't want to save this, so I just destroyed it totally. But still I can put it together because I saved everything. This is the cap at the end, at this end of it. So first you have to take this one out, and then gingerly, because there are so much glue in here, gingerly you have to take it out. But because I have already purchased a new one, so I didn't care how it goes, and this was mainly for this video, for the purpose of this video. I just cut it open to show you what is inside. And this is the charger itself, and by size, as you see, is very small. This is the USB that is capable of 5.1 volts at 1 amp. And the way to open it, it has two layers. One layer is this, and it's covered to avoid any shortage. And then we are getting to the nitty-gritty, so I just push it put it down like that, and I show you there are some glues. There were some glues here and there. So that's it. And now this is the dangerous part, and this capacitor is the one that you have to be very careful. I just short it again, and you have to be very, very, have to push it really hard in order to discharge this. Other than that, 280 volts of electricity is going to shock you, but still I'm going to be very careful. I just show you what is on the board, and those that they know all of these, the structure of this, they can tell you what is in there. And the purpose of this video is just to show you what is in there. That's it. So I have to tell you, this one is really well constructed and very well built, because the opening of that, and Mr. Gate, that is a philanthropist, could make this better to be able to at least use the parts, or just repair this rather than chuck all of this out in the bin just to buy another one. And they are not really cheap. They are each going at £50 up to £75 each. So they are very expensive units. So, and the reason that this one got broken is because someone sprayed water in order to sanitize the computer and the cable and everything, and this was out there, and they sprayed it, and then the unit was in the mains, so it was live, it was on, and they sprayed some sanitizer there, and from that time on this unit was dead after that. So if you want to clean this cable or do anything of that sort, please take it off the mains and then wait for a while for the charge, for the unit to discharge, and then start cleaning, and don't spray water directly at this part. Is the best thing to do is spray on the cloth, and then clean and sanitize this. And this person taking this one to the work and bringing it back home, and in the coffee shop or in the restaurant, they are using this, and because of that he wanted to sanitize this, and I sprayed directly to this end, and that's why this had happened. Otherwise I don't think this would die so early, because this was relatively new, under 1 year old. So that's really it. Just for the once more, I'm going to show you what is in here, and these are the transistors there, and then that bloody dangerous capacitor, and then this USB charging port, and then some capacitors, some transistor again, some surface mount capacitor and charging. Ouch, be careful still. So this is what is inside here, and that's really it. But I assume there are some surface mount stuff, transistors, capacitors, and then some other stuff that you can use in here. And this cable was connected to this part. So still, you know, if those people that they are using this, you know, they are good at electronics, there are loads of pieces that you can use from here for your other projects. Anyhow, this video is getting too long. I hope you enjoyed this video, and these two magnets as well. They are really good, very strong as well. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and until my next video, take care of yourself and each other, and as always, have a great time.